Hey everybody, Payments Professor here, and today we're going to talk about policies and procedures. Policies and procedures. Why do we even have policies and procedures? Well, we have policies and procedures to make sure we're doing what we're supposed to be doing, to make sure that we're doing things in the proper order, to make sure that we're following the correct rules or regulations, to make sure that we're staying within the payment strategy for our organization. That's the whole reason why we have policies and procedures, to tell us what to do, when to do it, and in many cases, how to do it. Now, I do want to point out something. Policies and procedures can also become a crutch. If you have your policies and procedures in place, you need to make sure that you understand why you're doing what you're doing, how that works, what's that going to mean to you when you're doing your processing. If you were unable to complete, let's say, step 3, what does that actually mean if step 3 doesn't get completed? Is there a way to work around it? Now, that's really important when it comes to like disaster recovery. See, policies and procedures are great for when everything's working and functioning the way it's supposed to, but what happens if something goes wrong? So I tell everybody what you should be doing as part of your disaster recovery, business continuity planning, and maybe just, on a regular basis, is reviewing your policies and procedures and making sure that you understand what actions are taking place, what gets accomplished when step 1 is done, when step 2 is done, when step 3 is done, and what were to happen if it couldn't be completed. What you find sometimes in reviewing those policies and procedures is you might not even need to be doing that step after all. It might become something that's obsolete and not needed anymore. Or you might identify that you need additional policies and procedures to be in place. Hell, that's what it means to have policies and procedures. That's why we got them. Now, if you got questions, concerns, comments, I'd love to hear about them down below. Put them in the comments, send me a message, let me know. What is it that you would like to know more about when it comes to, say, policies and procedures or anything working with electronic banking? I'm the Payments Professor, and I'll look forward to hearing more from you. Thank y'all, and have a great day.